What's up, guys? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. Today I'm going to do a quick video on taking your Sig P226 tactical pistol apart. If you want to clean it or replace parts, add different parts, this is a good starting point. So the first thing that we want to do with any handgun or any weapon is we want to make sure this weapon is unloaded, so we can see that there is no magazine, but that's not all we want to do. We want to pull that slide back, ensure there are no bullets in there. We can see that, and usually I'll just kind of give it a couple slides just for the heck of it. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to pull your slide, your upper back, you're going to lock it into place. You're going to take this guy right here, you're going to turn it down, and then you're simply going to hold the upper, release, pull right off. Now, there's your inner workings of your weapon. You can see it in there. You can clean with whatever cleaning system you have or whatever solutions you want to use. And then you have your barrel, components of your barrel. First thing you're going to do with your barrel is you're going to take your thumb. This is spring loaded, so be careful, and just press, and this comes right out. It is spring loaded, and Sig kind of gives you an orange color detail on this to help you when you are putting this back in. Then your barrel just comes out pretty easy. There you go. So you can replace barrels, put a threaded barrel, clean your barrel, do whatever you want to do with this guy. So putting everything back in is just how you took it out. Put your barrel back in this way. And without the spring in there, your barrel will slide forward. So then, you're going to get your spring. If your spring is not color coded, just make sure you keep track of which end goes into here. Push it back into its little locking space. Take your bottom half. Slide back, lock into place. And then flip this little switch back, and you're good to go. Decock, and your gun is cleaned, taken apart, modified however you see fit. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.